Okay, I think for the next 3D printed project, I'd like to do Elektro, the Westinghouse robot, and if you look it up online for images, you'll find all kinds of images of Elektro, and if you look it up on YouTube, you can find videos of Elektro at the 1939 New York World's Fair. Basically, Westinghouse built it for the fair. And you can watch these videos, so feel free to look them up. When you do watch the video, the first thing you're going to notice is Elektro's right leg never moves. It does have wheels on the bottom, and only the left leg works like you'd think a leg might. You know, steps forward, bends at the knee, and then goes straight back, walks real slow. Sort of walks like The Mummy. If you've ever watched the original movie The Mummy, where it takes a step with one leg and then drags the other leg behind it. Walks about the same speed too. But I'm going to design the body, the arms, the hands, the legs, the walking mechanism. But I'd like to collaborate, if any of you are interested, on someone who wants to design the head. Now the head, let's click on see more. See if we can find just some headshots here. Here's a headshot. It's not going to get any bigger if I click on it, so what I'm going to do is I'll just kind of zoom in on it. But you guys can look these things up. There's some pictures of the head from behind, which are very interesting. It's kind of a mohawk thing where the head is one size and then starts scaling out symmetrically, and the ears are very banana shaped from the side but have these cutouts from the front. It doesn't really matter if you want to collab with me what scale you do the head in. Once you've designed the head, then I can rescale it to any size to fit my project as it progresses. But yeah, I actually have this magazine someplace. Don't know where I have it stored at the moment. But you can see there's all kinds of interesting pictures, and actually when you start studying them, there's some quite a few changes from picture to picture where things had changed. And Elektro, of course, was used in all kinds of different movies. He was even used in Sex Kittens Go to College, which was probably one of the last things the empty shell was used in. At that point, there weren't any mechanics left in it. Let's see, I'm just looking to see if there's another headshot here, because I have saved one to my computer that showed the head from a upper right-hand view. Let's just see if I can find that. Let's go here. Let's go to downloads, 3D printing stuff. Where's my Elektro? Here we go. Let's go to there, and let's, here we go. Take a look at this. Let's make this big. See, this is looking down. Here's the back of the head, so you can kind of see the flat there, how the sides taper, how it's flat here. You can kind of see the banana-shaped ear, and how on the actual robot it sat on a separate neck piece. But this is an interesting shot that helps you figure out the sculpting of the whole thing. So, if this idea of collaborating with this project and with me, leave messages down below, because there's no reason I need to hog the whole project. I'll have plenty to do just designing the body, the arms, the hands, the legs, the walking mechanism, all that. And I haven't really decided yet whether I'm going to go with the one leg moving, dragging the other stiff leg. I kind of don't want to go that way, because I know they actually didn't want to build it that way, but they had to simplify things. On the other hand, part of me wants to do the moving knee joint, because that'd be kind of cool, but yeah, we'll see. I'm going to kick around some different ways of doing it, and it'll, in the end, probably come down to the easiest way that makes it look like it's walking. But if you're interested in working on the head, in the end, all I'll need is an STL file, because from that I can change the scale, I can hollow it, I can do whatever I want to do. It's just the basic outside shape.